Sippin' know who I am, yeah. L-I-L-O, low. He can't crush a band, double.
Okay, y'all. I was just listening to a song by Vaughn off 1700, and he was like, "Why you call me brother? You know, I don't even know you." You know what I'm saying? I don't know what that relates to the tutorial, but yeah, today y'all be doing a tutorial on like a bloody slash melting slash liquid text. You know, let me show y'all the example right here. I just cooked up real quick. And so yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So let me stop this. First thing you want to do is create a new composition, you know, new comp. These are just my settings right here. I just want to cook up something really quickly. After that, I'm just gonna add a solid. You know, it's always good, add a little solid. But yeah, if you're doing this with text, you want to press up here, this little text icon, put your text. I'm just gonna type out, I don't know, let's do Cardi. You know what I'm saying? We got this cool little font right here that I'm using. As you can see, it's called Viner and IPC. Just search this up and you probably get it, or it's maybe on your PC already. And with text, if you want to get it centered, what you want to do is press the text right here, right click and go to transform. And it's going to say something center, anchor, point, and layer content. You want to click on that, and it's going to center it wherever, like, it's going to align it with the center. And basically, you can go press the align tab right here and center it. After that, since it's kind of like bloody slash melting, what we're going to do is like, I don't know, add a fill. After you add the fill, what you're going to do is go to this thing called liquefy, right? Everybody should have this. I'm pretty sure it comes with After Effects. And before you do anything with liquefy, you want to press the keyframe right here for distortion mist. I'm pressing U right now to open up my keyframe, right? You want to make sure you keyframe before you do any changes to it. And so after that, I'm just going to drag it to like 2 seconds. And then you're going to want to just click, hold down, and just pull down. Honestly, this is a really slow process, so I'm just going to speed this up. Okay, so after you're done with that, you know, you press play, you see something like this. You know, it's a little melting effect. However, it's gonna only melt really at the end, so you're gonna have to ease it. So what you want to do is highlight these points right here, right click or press, I think it's F9, yeah, and press easy ease, right? And then you want to go into the graph editor. First thing you want to do is drag this all the way over here, like, and hold shift while you do it so it stays straight. And then hold this in a little bit, and let's play it again. There we go. So now the melting effect is going to start early. And yeah, this is how you do a melting effect. However, if you want to add stuff to it, what you can do is there's this plugin called Deep Glow. Find it how you can, you know, does a little glow effect. You know what I'm saying? Just makes it look nice and come together. So yeah, that's the tutorial, y'all. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit like 100 subscribers, please. You know, please. But yeah,